I love it. I love it, man. I love it. I love the way you've done this. I love the layout. I think it's awesome. The Notion template looks awesome. What I like the 50 that I looked at, exactly how I want it done in terms of the detail and everything. It looks really, really good. I think the biggest thing for that was really the prompts. So I'm fully confident that
Yeah,
that looks awesome.
yeah. Under each item, there are some subcategories. So various subcategories you can see.
Yeah.
And you can also see a number of prompts per subcategory also. Like, so how many prompts? This one has 6, this one has 29. So you can see in this question too. Also
Awesome.
category, how many you have in each category. You can also have a count like this. Which
Dude, it looks,
platform?
yeah, I love it. I love it, man. I love it. I love the way that you've done this. I love the layout. I think it's awesome. I really do. I think this is going to be a fantastic product for my
Yeah, for me.
readers. I mean, one thing that I've noticed with my readers the past couple of weeks is that they're very like so the Bagel Bots whole situation is going crazy. I'm gaining like 200 to 300 subscribers a day right now, which is pretty cool. Um,
Okay.
and what they're really receptive to is like income generating workflows and prompts. Now I know we're not doing workflows, we're just doing prompts. So just keep that in mind. Like
Yeah,
if we have to go a little bit more with like more income generating, more, kind of making money type prompts, I'm totally
yeah,
fine with that. It doesn't have to be a set number for each type. If we're going to go a little bit more, I would say making money online, making money with AI, like those are fine. You know what I mean? So if you
yeah,
if we go a little bit more, that's good. But from everything I've seen, dude, it looks really fantastic. It looks great. I mean, I really am very impressed. I'm actually really excited because I have, like I've told you before, I have those two other projects that I'm gonna need that are gonna be similar, and I'm glad that we met because now I can just roll it right over to you once we get
yeah,
this one completed. So I'm really happy, man. I really am. I'm really excited that we decided to do this. I think it's going to be great. So,
yeah. Thank
great
you.
work, dude. Yeah, no, great work,
Yeah,
man. I appreciate you taking the bull by the horns and working hard and getting this stuff taken care of. And the Notion, like I said, dude, the Notion looks amazing, man. Notion is the most valuable part of the whole product. So, yeah, I think it's great, dude. I'm really impressed with everything.
yeah. Thank you.